Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Fish Academy. All right, I've been trying to tell you guys that you guys should mount CCTV cameras in your facility, and where you can actually sit at home and then be working from home, monitor what is happening in your farm. So this is my own farm, all right, and this is live CCTV. If you check the time, 7, okay, forget about the messages that are dropping there, 7:44 a.m. and then you can check the real time, that is 2024. Everything is reading. All right, so this is live. I'm at home, all right, actually monitoring what is happening in my facility. So this is one angle, one view of my CCTV, which can actually be rotated, and then I can communicate with them and they will hear me. So I'm going to click to communicate with the person that is there to feed the fish. So let's see what is going to happen. I want to communicate. Okay, so you can actually rotate the camera to see. So if you click here, all right, you see the, okay, I think this network, yeah, but let me just communicate with, okay, it's now that it's moving, yeah, because of network. So that's the facility. You can actually rotate the camera to view any part you wish to see. This particular facility have 9 cameras. 9 cameras. All right. So I'm trying to get back. Okay, you can see some people are moving. This is a 3 screen camera. All right, you can see someone here. All right, I think that person actually came to fetch water. All right, yeah, we do give free water in our facility, so the people in our the people living in the neighborhood fetch water from our facility for free. So if you can do that for your people, you should also do that. So I'm trying to rotate the camera very well so I can see what is happening. Actually, I want to speak with this person that is here. I want to speak with him. So I want to place the camera well, the lens well, so I can see what he will be doing when I call him. All right, so okay, so at this point I think I can call him now. So this is speaker. I click here. So edit down. I'm trying to speak with him. Uncle Aboki Yaga is where the amber, right? Okay, feed them now, feed them. Feed the fish, yes. Feed them now. Feed them. Feed the fish, yes. Embo yaga no Monday dia. About dia? Okay, so I've turned off my own side of the intercom. All right, so what he's trying to tell me that he has fed them already. Okay, you can see these are other notifications. Other cameras are trying to notify me that there is a movement around, so as I said, this facility have 9 cameras, so you can actually see everything. So let me click on another camera. All right, so this particular 1, 2, 3 is one camera. One camera has three lens. Should I put it that way? Yeah. So 1 is rotational, 2 is static. So this particular one and this one is positioned to wash the gate on a steady wash. So anybody that enters through the gate, there will be an alert, and then other places. So those sounds, those are camera alert. You see the camera trying to tell me that there is someone within the camera. All right, so so this is it. I tell you guys, camera is very important. When I'm at home, I'm always comfortable. I know that everything is going on well in my facility. So let me click on another camera. Don't forget, this is okay. This is another one. Let me show you this particular one. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. All right, so you can see that this is another one. All right, showing another angle. There's another one showing another angle. So let me take you back. I want to okay, click on another camera. It's loading. It's loading. Is another angle. So okay, let me click on this. It's still a rotational camera. You can sit at home and rotate, you know. So this is another view. You can see them. I was actually watching them with this particular camera before. See, there is a camera here. So I was watching them with that one before. So you can actually rotate this, and you can still speak with them. You can see. So you can still rotate it. You can still rotate it. You can take it up. You can see that is, you know. So the other cameras. All right, the other cameras. So many cameras in this place. We have nine of it. So this is why you should install your cameras. Watch everything that is happening in your facility just with your phone. All right, you don't need to, you don't need screen. Anywhere you are, if you like, be outside the country, you will be able to manage your farm well. This is how I manage my farm. This is how I tell people to, this is why I tell people, please do well to install CCTV anywhere you are having your business, so that, you can actually, sleep with your 2 eyes closed. You don't even need to sleep. Like me, I am the chief security officer of this facility. So day and night, whenever I wake up, I'm monitoring my cameras. I'm seeing everything. So do the same.